Welcome back to another ScamFighter order guide. This time, we'll walk you through the order process on Write Paper for Me. Start with the price calculator on the main page. Choose your academic level and paper type. Set the deadline and the number of pages or words. Press Continue to add more details. In a new window, you can add your class and topic, include paper details, and upload files. Remember to pick the proper paper format. Continue with the price calculation to add more info, like spacing and the number of slides or sources. You'll notice the price adjusts automatically as you add requirements. The Final Step button will take you to Extra Features. You can choose among four writer tiers: Best Available, Pro, Top, and Preferred. Write Paper for Me offers several add-ins, including plagiarism and AI reports, progressive delivery, and more. If you're new to Write Paper form, add your email, phone number, and password at the bottom to create an account, or log in with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Double-check your paper details and proceed to checkout to finalize the payment. Remember to check the Write Paper for .me review on ScamFighter.net before you go through with your order.